How to use Zelle with PNC Bank App. First of all, open the PNC Bank app on your device and log in using your username and password. Next, on the home screen, look for the transfer and payments or send money with Zelle option and tap on it. After that, choose send money to transfer funds or request money if you are expecting a payment from someone. Now enter the recipient's email address or mobile number that is linked to their Zelle account. Make sure to double check the information to avoid sending money to the wrong person. Enter the amount you want to send or request and add a note if needed to explain the payment. Review all the details carefully, then tap send or request to complete the transaction. You will see a confirmation once the payment is successfully processed. Finally, remember that Zelle transfers through PNC Bank are usually instant and both you and the recipient will get notifications. Ensure your account is verified and up to date to avoid any issues. Now you know how to use Zelle with the PNC Bank app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.